Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make restaurant-style jjajangmyeon from instant ramen. Let's get started. I covered jjajangmyeon before, but if you can't find Korean jjajang paste, you can still make restaurant-style jjajangmyeon using instant jjajangmyeon and a couple extra ingredients. So let's get started. To get started, we're gonna prepare the veggies first. First, get an onion and slice it half. We're gonna use a half of an onion. We want our onion to be chunky, so slice it half, and another half, and another half, and turn it around, and chop it into big chunks, and put to the side. Next, we need a potato. We're gonna use half of a potato. We're gonna cut it same as the onion, but make sure cut it smaller. Potato take a long time to cook. Put to the side. Next, we need half of a hot pepper. So, slice it in half and slice thinly and dice them. Put to the side. Next, we need a quarter of a cucumber. Slice the bottom so it can lie on the cutting board well. And slice thinly. Korean uses cucumber as a base gel, so if you like it, just put it on the base. Stick them together and slice thinly one more time. And put to the side. Next, we need a half a strip of pork belly. Cut it half and slice thinly. Put to the side. Get a pot and set to medium high. Put some vegetable oil. And we're gonna put potatoes. After cooking for 1 to 2 minutes, we're gonna add pork. We're gonna add a half tablespoon of sugar. After cooking for 2 minutes, we're gonna add onions and hot pepper. We're gonna add 100 milliliters of water. And open up the package. Add your packets of powder and flakes. And add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And turn up your heat and get a new pot and add water. And turn your stove on high heat. While we're waiting for it to boil, let's start the fact, Kwon's Corner fact. Jajang is Chinese Korean black bean sauce. Myeon means noodle, so jjajangmyeon means black bean sauce noodle. Originally, jjajangmyeon was not black, but white. Chinese workers brought jjajangmyeon to Korea, and Korean made it black. If you watch Korean dramas, people usually get jjajangmyeon delivery. It's very cheap and fast. If you like to learn restaurant-style jjajangmyeon, you can click here. Once pot is boiling, add a noodle. Make sure to keep lifting your noodle to aerate them, so they can be more chewy and bouncy. After cooking for 3 to 4 minutes, turn off your heat. And get a strainer and drain all the water. and place it on a plate. I'm gonna reheat the sauce. Once sauce is thick and reheat it, turn up your stove. Place it on the noodles. We're gonna add a cucumber for decoration. We're gonna add both egg or more decoration. That's it. Our jjajangmyeon is all ready to eat. Eating time! Let's see. Let me take out the eggs because I don't like boiled egg. Mix it well. So excited. Very excited. It really looked like a restaurant style. I really like it. It's right between the instant style and a restaurant style. It has a flavor of the instant, but since I add a lot of ingredients like a pork, onion, and potato, it's so flavorful. It's so delicious. Usually when I cook one instant jajang ramen, it never been enough. It's like a snack, but never been a meal for me. But since I add a potato, it's so much more filling, and I think it's a complete meal. And pork belly, my secret ingredient. I really love it. It tastes so good, so you should definitely try it. And if you try it, please send me a picture through Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Kwon's Corner subreddit. I'm gonna put the link down below. So hopefully you can send me and I can shout you out. So see you next week. 안녕! If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you wanna see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!